Hello champions, welcome back. Let's begin with the new question. The question says calculate Walsh price index number for the following data. We are given with four different commodities. Their base year price and quantities are given and their current year price and quantities are also given. So without wasting any time, let's quickly begin with the solution. Dear students, in order to find Walsh price index number, we must first of all tabulate the data. Let's tabulate. In tabulation, in the first column, you have to note down the commodities. Then in the next column, you have to note down the base year price and quantities. And base year price and quantities are nothing but P0 and Q0. And similarly, current year price and quantities are nothing but P1 and Q1. And whatever data is given in the question, just note it down as it is, right? Now what we need to find is Walsh price index number. और इसको find करने के लिए we must know the formula associated with Walsh price index number, right? So let's have a look at the formula. I hope all of you remember this formula, Walsh price index number. अब ये फॉर्मूले में वैल्यूज को प्लग इन करने के लिए देखिए हमें ये जो न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर की वैल्यूज है ये डायरेक्टली तो नहीं दी हुए, तो पहले हमें ये वैल्यूज फाइंड करना पड़ेगा एंड देन वी हैव टू सब्स्टिट्यूट टू गेट वैल्यू ऑफ वॉल्श इंडेक्स नंबर, राइट? अब ये इवेल्युएट करने के लिए सबसे पहले देखिए वी हैव टू फाइंड रूट ऑफ Q0 Q1, राइट? रूट ऑफ Q0 Q1, तो यहाँ पे जो पहला कॉलम है इसमें हम बना लेते हैं रूट ऑफ Q0 एंड Q1. देन न्यूमरेटर में सब्स्टिट्यूट करने के लिए दैट रूट ऑफ Q0 Q1 मस्ट बी मल्टीप्लाइड विथ P1. तो नेक्स्ट कॉलम में वी कैलकुलेट P1 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय रूट ऑफ Q0 Q1 and for denominator that same root is to be multiplied with P0. So let's find P0 into root of Q0 Q1, correct? तो ये जो क्वांटिटी है ये हमारा न्यूमरेटर है and this quantity is denominator, but इन दोनों को इवेल्युएट करने के लिए फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी नीड रूट ऑफ Q0 Q1, राइट? तो चलिए फाइंड कर लेते हैं रूट ऑफ Q0 Q1. सबसे पहले see Q0 is this, Q1 is this, right? तो Q0 multiplied by Q1, so 9 multiplied by 4 will be 36 and root of that value, that is root of 36, will be 6. Then 5 multiplied by 5 will be 25 and root of 25 will be 5. Then 8 multiplied by 2 will be 16 and root of 16 will be 4. And then finally 4 multiplied by 1 will be 4 and root of 4 will be 2. Then P1 multiplied by root of Q0 Q1, matlab this column multiplied by this column, this column, right? So 30 multiplied by 6 will be 180. Then 50 multiplied by 5, 150, 250, sorry. 10 multiplied by 4 will be 40 and 20 multiplied by 2 again 40. The last column is P0 into root of Q0 Q1, that is this column and this column. So 20 multiplied by 6 will be 120, 10 multiplied by 5 will be 50, 40 multiplied by 4 will be 160 and finally 30 multiplied by 2 will be 60. अब हमें फॉर्मूले में वैल्यूज को प्लग इन करने के लिए वी नीड टोटल ऑफ दीज टू कॉलम्स, राइट? इस कॉलम का टोटल और इस कॉलम का टोटल. सो लेट्स फाइंड द टोटल. सो इफ यू ऐड ऑल दीज वैल्यूज यू गेट सम ऑफ P1 root of Q0 Q1 is 510 and finally adding all these values you get sum of P0 root of Q0 Q1 is 390. Now we have already known the formula for Walsh price index number. Yeah, it is sum of P1 root Q0 Q1 upon sum of P0 root Q0 Q1 multiplied by 100. This value is 510 and this value denominator is 390. So next step it will be 510 upon 390 into 100, which on final simplification gives us the value of Walsh price index number as 130.77. Hope you have understood this. See you in the next video.